In this video, I'll show you how to create and set up a business account on Instagram. Now, before we jump into the video, we have tons of resources for you to check out in the description of this video. Alright, so of course what you want to do is have a profile already made, or perhaps you have an existing profile. All you need to do is go to the bottom right on the profile icon. Then we want to go to the top right onto the hamburger icon. Now inside here, you want to scroll down until you see account type and tools. In here, you want to click on switch to professional account, and then you're going to click on next. In here, you'll choose what describes your business, and then click on switch to professional account. Now you need to choose if you're a business or creator, and then click next. Now in here, they'll already have your email from your setup, but you do need to input your phone number, business address, and if you do want to Instagram audio calling, then you can activate the display contact info toggle, again up to you, and then press next. You have the option to connect to Facebook if you want, or you can skip it. And then you need to fill out this form. So click on each one of these, fill them out until you've completed all 8 steps. And once you're done with that, you will have an Instagram business account. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the resources that we have in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.